Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. We're going to be learning how to sign up for Walmart in today's tutorial episode. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet, press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. To sign up for Walmart, go to your web browser, type in www.walmart.com. Walmart is an American multinational retail corporation that operates a chain of markets and discount department stores and grocery stores from the United States. This is the official website of Walmart, which looks like this. To sign up, go to the account button at the upper right corner, this one right here in friendly menu, click on sign in now. If you already have an account, then you can easily enter the email address over here and your password and sign into your accounts by clicking on the sign in button. But to sign up for an account, you'll need to click on create an account and create your Walmart account. First, type in your first name and then your last name, enter an email address, a valid one, and then create a password for your Walmart account. Make sure to create a strong password every time you sign up for any account. Once you're done with it, you can select if you want to stay signed in, but make sure to keep this box unchecked if you are using a public device. You don't want anyone getting access to your account. That way, if you want emails about rollback, spatial pricing, hot news, hot new items, gift ideas, then keep this box checked. If you don't want any kind of an email, then uncheck this box over here. Now, by clicking create an account, you will agree to the terms of use and the privacy policy of Walmart. To create an account, click on create an account, and just like that, you'll be able to create a Walmart account for yourself. You'll need to go through a little security check over here, check on the box, and that is your new Walmart account. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.